Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode of Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the world of luxury yachting with the stunning Princess X95. This isn't just any yacht, it's a game changer that's turning heads and redefining what we expect from a vessel under 100 feet. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just dreaming of your next big adventure on the water, stick around as we explore the key features, innovative design, luxurious interior, impressive performance, and the unique selling points that make the Princess X95 a standout in the yachting world. Let's set sail. First up, let's talk about the key features that set the Princess X95 apart. This beauty stretches nearly 95 feet long, with a beam of just over 22 feet, giving it a spacious platform that feels more like a megayacht than a sub-100-foot vessel. One of its standout elements is the Super Flybridge concept, which extends the flybridge and main deck across almost the entire length of the yacht. This means you get 10% more outdoor space and a whopping 40% more indoor space compared to traditional yachts of this size. The layout is designed with flexibility in mind, offering options like a forward master suite or an entertainment lounge, depending on how you want to use the space. With a fuel capacity of 13,400 liters, it's built for long-range adventures, and the inclusion of advanced navigation systems ensures you're always on course. It's a yacht that caters to both relaxation and exploration, making it perfect for extended voyages or weekend getaways with family and friends. Now, let's shift gears to the design, where the Princess X95 really shines with its bold and futuristic look. Crafted in collaboration with renowned Italian design house Pininfarina and naval architect Bernard Olesinski, this yacht breaks away from the classic yacht silhouette. The exterior features a sleek, sculpted profile with a single-piece hull window that stretches almost the full length, creating a striking visual line and flooding the interior with natural light. The wide-body design lifts the wheelhouse to allow an uninterrupted main deck, giving it a modern, almost SUV-like stance on the water. Think of it as the luxury crossover of the seas. The use of extensive tinted glass reduces the visual height while maximizing views, and the flowing curves connect harmoniously from every angle. Despite its tall structure, the design is engineered for stability, often requiring stabilizers to keep things smooth. It's a bold departure from tradition that doesn't compromise on aesthetics or functionality, appealing to those who want a yacht that looks as good as it performs. Moving inside, the interior features of the Princess X95 are where luxury meets practicality. Step into the main deck saloon, and you're greeted with a vast, open-plan space that offers a line of sight from bow to stern. Imagine walking into a floating penthouse. Full-height windows bathe the area in natural light, while high-quality materials like satin-finished oak, walnut, and marble create a timeless elegance. The layout can be customized with options like a country kitchen-style galley or a formal dining area, perfect for hosting guests. Down below, the lower deck houses 4 to 5 cabins, including a full-beam master suite with a private ensuite, walk-in wardrobe, and panoramic views, truly a private sanctuary. Guest cabins offer twin or double configurations, each with its own ensuite, accommodating up to 10 guests. The crew quarters, designed for up to 4 members, include a mess and bathroom, ensuring seamless service. Details like integrated lighting and technology, including a digital switching system, add a touch of sophistication, making every inch of this yacht a haven of comfort. When it comes to performance aspects, the Princess X95 doesn't disappoint, blending power with efficiency. Powered by twin-man V12-1900 engines, this yacht delivers a top speed of around 26 knots, with a comfortable cruising range in the high teens to low 20s. For those planning epic journeys, it can maintain a leisurely 10 knots with a range of nearly 2,000 nautical miles, thanks to its substantial fuel capacity. The hull design is a clever mix of broad aft sections for lift and a sharp bow wave piercer to smooth out head seas, ensuring a stable ride even in challenging conditions. During tests in 6 to 7 foot waves, it handled the chop with impressive dampening, though spray can still make an appearance. The electro-hydraulic steering system adjusts rudders based on engine RPM, reducing heel and enhancing comfort. It's a performance package that balances speed, range, and seaworthiness, making it ideal for both thrill-seekers and those who prefer a gentle cruise. Finally, let's explore the unique selling points that make the Princess X95 a must-consider for yacht enthusiasts. One of its biggest draws is the sheer volume of space, 40% more interior room than a conventional 95-footer, offering a lifestyle flexibility that's rare in this class. The Super Flybridge isn't just a feature, it's a revolution, providing a climate-controlled sky lounge with 360-degree views and expansive deck areas for sunbathing or dining. The open concept layout allows owners to tailor the yacht to their preferences, whether it's a cinema lounge, a boardroom, or extra guest cabins. The collaboration with Pininfarina brings a level of automotive-inspired design that's unmatched, while the use of high-end materials and customizable finishes lets you put your personal stamp on the vessel. Add in features like a beach club at the stern with an extendable platform for water sports, and you've got a yacht that's as versatile as it is luxurious. It's no wonder it earned accolades like Best of the Best from Rob Report in 2021. This yacht redefines what's possible on the water. So, there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the Princess X95 from Sir Boats Yacht. This yacht combines innovative design, luxurious interiors, robust performance, and unique flexibility into a package that's hard to beat. Whether you're imagining a long-haul adventure or a stylish getaway, the X95 delivers on all fronts. If you're intrigued and want to see more, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next voyage. Drop a comment below. Have you sailed on a Princess yacht, or is the X95 on your dream list? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the high seas with Sir Boats Yacht. Fair winds and following seas, everyone.